Hello friends, good day to you all wherever you might be right now across the world. I welcome you to this channel today. This is LASOJENIC BIZZTALK. What I have to share with you today is about the IPC update. IPC update, that is Intelligence Prime Capital Update, and up to 50% now. So this is a new update that you can't afford to miss, which can fetch you up to 50% of your capital now with Master C bot. So this is the new bot from IPC Intelligence Prime Capital. Explore AI in wealth creation. Explore artificial intelligence in wealth creation. All right, so this is the update from IPC. That is, they come up with new bots. Now this with new robot who can help you. So but before I go deeper in this video, I want you to know that this video is brought to you courtesy of this channel called LASOJENIC BIZZTALK. Okay, LASOJENIC BIZZTALK is a channel that is created to share with you my ideas on online investment, on how to be financially free, secured and settled. So I review online investment here and I give you my sincere recommendation and advice. So if you are new on this channel, it is very, very important that you subscribe to this channel and click on the notification bell so that you'll be continually aware of the next updates. And if you have any question concerning this video or any of the contents on LASOJENIC BIZZTALK, feel free to contact me through the WhatsApp number here or through the email address. I'm going to reply your messages as soon as possible. Okay, so once again, what we are considering today is IPC update, that is how to make use of the Master C bot. So quickly let me go to my dashboard so that I can show you how to go about it. Okay, so let me reload this. I think I should reload this. Okay, right now I have successfully logged into my IPC dashboard. So now for you to go about it, you click on the subscription button here. So you click on the subscription button here, then okay, actually we have three bots before. We have the Brilliant bot, we have the Genius bot, and we have the Smart bot. So this is the new bot that has been introduced. It is called Master C bot. And with this new bot, you can earn up to 50% of your capital. You can earn up to 50% of your capital, unlike the other bots that we have. That is, Genius bot gives you up to 45%, Brilliant bot gives you up to 30%, and Smart bot gives you up to 15% in a month. And as you can see, the subscription fee is 0, which means you just need to upgrade. You just need to upgrade. Just click on the upgrade button here. So click on the upgrade button here. So click on it so that you can upgrade from your previous or from your current bot to Master C bot. So I believe majority of the user of IPC bot are using the Genius bot, so it is free of charge. Just click on the upgrade button and you start making use of Master C bot. So this is new development from Intelligence Prime Capital to show that they are really ready to improve on their services for their users. So it's an opportunity to earn more with IPC. It's an opportunity to earn more with IPC. So just click on the upgrade so that you can start making use of the Master C bot. So it is very, very effective, and I believe that you surely get more out of it. Alright, thank you so much for watching this video. This is where I'm going to put an end to it today. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel, click on the notification bell, and share with your friends and family. Share with your friends and family, because this can be the needed information for their financial turnaround. So make sure that you share it, you give it the widest publicity that you think it deserves. Alright, so meet me in the next video. Till then, have a wonderful day ahead. Bye for now.